we expect the COVID situation to get worse than it is right now. It's obvious that there will be more contacts between people during the next couple of weeks.
Quebec's public health director is urging people to stay home and miss their holiday parties if they're showing even mild symptoms of illness or recently recovered from an illness. Dr. Luc Boileau acknowledged the province's epidemiological situation is fragile and urged prudence as COVID-19, RSV, and influenza circulate. He said the province is in recommendation mode and would not be imposing mandatory measures. The warning comes as Quebec registered its highest number of hospitalizations related to COVID since October 19th, with now over 2,000 patients. Boileau says anyone who's sick should stay away from Christmas or New Year's parties, family gatherings in general, and those who are more vulnerable. He says anyone with COVID-19 is contagious for 10 days.
There is a risk of an increase, and we will see an increase of hospitalization for COVID, and this is not a good news, but we will have to face it. But of course, if the people respect the recommendation that we're giving them, it should be much less, and we will all be very satisfied with that.
The triple threat of COVID-19, RSV, and influenza has hit the healthcare system hard. Boileau says RSV is trending downward, adding that influenza data shows the peak may have been reached, but it's not headed down just yet. He says COVID-19 and the variant circulating right now is the one Quebec health officials are most worried about, and they foresee an uptick of cases during the holidays. Boileau did recommend masking, especially in high-traffic areas, and continues to point to vaccinations and boosters to help.
There's a message of being really careful with that, to just stay out of any gathering if we have symptoms, if we had symptoms during the last 10 days before, and especially if we had confirmed that we have a COVID. And if it's so, please get really careful for everyone.
In Montreal, Brittany Henriques, City News.